Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how to create this splotched buttercream effect on a cake. I've already built my 5-inch cake. If you guys would like to see how to build one, I'll leave a little video in the eye up top or in the description box below. Creating a crumb coat, which is just a thin layer of frosting going around the cake, smoothing down the sides, bringing that little bit of frosting to the center, and popping my cake into the fridge for at least 15 minutes. I did the same with an 8-inch, and then you pop a second layer of frosting on top. This will be your finishing frosting, so you can tint it any color you like. I stuck with white here. Clear up the sides so it's nice and smooth, and then clean off the very top. Pop it into the fridge to rest, and in the meantime work on your 5-inch cake, following the exact same steps. For this tutorial I used my hybrid buttercream, which is the shortening and butter combined. I'll have a video in the description box where you can go to see how to make that one. Pop your 5-inch into the freezer for at least 20 minutes so you can handle it with your hands. Make sure you have dowels in your bottom tier to support the weight of your top tier when you stick it on top. I'm using the same buttercream that I've tinted pink with a little bit of red gel food colour by Americolor, and just creating little circles on my cake. With my small spatula I'm pressing the very end of it into the circle and then swooshing it across and just pulling it. There are a couple of different effects that you can create with this. The firmer you press on the cake, the more colour I guess will come through because you'll be able to reveal the white frosting underneath. If you press slightly like I have here, then you won't really see the frosting underneath. You could drag it on the cake for a bit more to create longer dollops. Totally up to you. I'm going in with a lighter shade again and just creating them a bit longer up here that you can see. And basically you just want to layer this until it looks nice. I kind of went a little full on. I added a fair few of them right in the center, kind of going up diagonally. And I felt like I needed some on the very side of the cake as well. So here I've added just a few wispy ones breaking away from that main section. And I think it really tied it in well. Here I'm adding edible druggies, some small ones in gold, just throwing them onto the cake and they're sticking to the buttercream. And I also popped on some larger ones too. As a finishing touch, I'm going to pop an acrylic cross in the center, and you're done. And that is how you create a christening/communion cake using the swiped buttercream with the spatula effect. Very fun to do. If you have even smaller spatulas, it'll have a different effect again. If you apply buttercream on your spatula and then onto the cake instead of using a piping bag, it'll have a different effect again. So experiment with this. The general idea is still the same. You just pop it on and swipe to create those little dollops there. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have learned something different, and I'll catch you again next week on Tuesday. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. We upload a new video every Tuesday.